Okay, let's see. GroovePages, sticking menu, mobile navigation, hamburger dropdown. Okay. Let's jump to a blog. Oh, wait a minute. The menu's not closing? In this GroovePages, GrooveFunnels, Groove.cm tutorial video, you're going to see how to make a mobile menu automatically close on a link click on a one-pager site. As of now, June 2022, the mobile hamburger navigation on mobile sites. Now, if you've directed these links in the nav bar to individual blocks rather than to different pages in the site, which is especially done if you have a one-pager site, the menu doesn't automatically close. Now, GroovePages has acknowledged that this is a development bug. I've confirmed this with their support team. Now, I am fairly positive and confident that they are going to fix this because there's been a lot of issues that they've been fixing recently. While we wait for them to fix it, this is a temporary workaround that should be good enough to get you by. All right. So first of all, assuming that you already have the header sticky using a series of classes, custom CSS applied, I'm going to show you this piece of JavaScript code, and I'll put it down in the description below so you can add it to your site. Take this piece of JavaScript, copy it to the head section of your global site settings. Don't just do it in one page. It has to be on your global site settings because it applies on every page that has a header. And then next, this is the really clever thing. I want you to take each one of the URLs on your published site. The way you do that is, hang on while we get out of inspect. I'm going to copy it off of one of the other sites where I currently have this workaround. All right, we are back in the nav menu. So let's go to the configure section and then copy and paste these JavaScript links verbatim. Attach link 1 to URL. Link 2 to URL number 2. Attach link 3 to URL number 3. Make sure to click update whenever you're updating your menu as always. Click on save. Publish the live site. Wait a minute. And then open the live site. We're going to have to go, either you'll have to do this in a mobile device or you're going to have to toggle the mobile emulator on your Chrome or Chromium browser and then open up the hamburger menu. Boom! Nice. It jumps between blocks. Now, the only caveat about this is just a workaround. I'm sure someone will find a way to improve upon it. After the first initial click, every time you click on the hamburger menu bar, you have to click it twice before you can navigate to anything. But this, at least the menu automatically closes when you navigate. Much more desirable behavior than the one that you currently see as of June 2022. And like I said, the Groove team is currently working on this, and I'm pretty sure in a short while, they'll have fixed this issue with the menu bar. But in case you may be experiencing any issues with this right now, this is a good interim solution. And I feel it will be a very good fit for pretty much any GroovePages website that's a one page or equivalent with links that navigate between blocks. All right. This is a marketer's secret toolbox on and out. In case you don't know what GroovePages is like yet, I've dropped my link below. You can sign up for a free account, dabble with it, and if you like it, you can upgrade to one of the plans. And of course, you get the bonuses with it, which you can ask me more about in the comments section, and I can give you more details. If you want to see more tutorials like this, the esoterica of GroovePages, the finer details, the nitty-gritty marketing tricks, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I will see you on the next episode of the Marketer's Secret Toolbox.